Today, I really think I want to talk about CPAS. Okay, now CPAS, if you're not familiar, it's called collaboration product advertising solution. Okay, it's essentially a way that you can actually run ads to do retargeting and a lot more things for your Shopee or Lazada store. So CPAS is really the most important solution if you're selling on Shopee or Lazada and you're not having CPAS. I would strongly recommend that you try to contact anyone you know from the marketplaces and try to get access to that. Why? Because okay, you see, just like that. I mean, you have a normal Shopee store. Let's take Shopee. I mean, I'm just not gonna like jumble things up already. Like, let's say if you have a normal Shopee store and you don't have CPAS access, and if you use Facebook ads to drive traffic to your Shopee store, the challenge would be when your person goes over to your Shopee store, you lost that data, because essentially if you don't have CPAS, you will be able to collect information or so-called the action that is taken on Facebook, whereby if they see your ad, watch your video, click on your ad on Facebook itself, but when they go over to your Shopee store, whether they take action or not, you have no idea. You have no data. You can't. Okay, so what's the big deal or when you don't have such data? First thing first, you do not know if your ads really drive you any conversion, because you won't be able to attribute. That's the first thing, because there is no attribution, because there's a disconnection, right? So the second thing is you will not be able to do retargeting, because here's the essential point. Okay, when you run ads on Facebook and when you're driving new people to your Shopee store, all right, 95% of people, I would say maybe even up to 99% of people, when they are first new to your Shopee store, they would not buy from you in the first place. They may actually browse around, add something to cart, but they may not buy because they don't know you yet, or probably they are interested in the product, but actually they are taking some time. And the downfall about marketplace, one of the cons about marketplace is it's very easy for them to start browsing other sellers' product that are actually the same as yours. So they would go over and compare prices and then to compare reviews and all that. So this is where you kind of like need to really capture this data, know who are these people. I mean, of course, essentially you won't be able to know who are they, but you need to actually build CPAS you need CPAS for you to do effective retargeting, because CPAS will allow you to do effective retargeting with some people who actually browse any single products or categories of products. And then you'll be able to know if they actually browse or did not purchase, or added cart or did not purchase. When you're able to have all these data in place, you'll be able to do more effective retargeting. So that's something that I strongly recommend any Shopee sellers or marketplace sellers, okay, to have that. Yeah, so I believe I actually work on it with sellers from Shopee sellers, Lazada sellers, Tokopedia sellers, and a lot of local marketplaces that actually have that. I think most of the marketplace would have it, but I'm not sure about Amazon. So you just have to go and check it out from them. So remember, just go over and ask for CPAS, collaborative, what do we call product advertising solution. Essentially, what happened when you have CPAS is, Shopee would actually build a product catalog based on all your products on your Shopee store and share that over and connect it with your Facebook business manager. And then you'll be able to connect it with your Facebook ad account, which from there on, you'll be able to do retargeting in a more effective way. I would say it's most effective way. Okay, you can actually do all this retargeting, upselling, cross-selling, and even one of a very important strategy is you need to actually start nurturing your customers. Because here's the thing, one thing we need to really focus on is to increase the lifetime value, because a person who buys once are more likely to buy again, because they have bought from you, they have the experience with you, they know that you're trustworthy, and it's a lot easier to sell to them again. So that's something that you have to pay attention to.